Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Crowable reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and you can see it is an online shopping store which is based in United Kingdom that deals with multiple products or multiple category products, including beauty care products. You can take a look here. Homeware products, personal care products, fashion clothing, fashion items, and multiple products including pants, hangers, eyelash pro, that is beauty care products, etc. So they are providing exclusive collection of homeware personal care products, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. They are offering huge discounts on various products. Now let's talk about the payment information. So you can see various payment modes of payment icons are available at the bottom of the web page, which are MX, Apple Pay, GPay, JCB, MasterCard, PayPal, Visa, etc. Now talking about the shipping policy, let's check out the shipping policy of this website. For that you need to visit the FAQ section, guys. So here is the FAQ section, and in this section you will get to know about the entire information related to shipping, shipping cost, about order, tracking number, etc. And according to the website details, US orders takes between 10 to 20 days to arrive at their destination. Now talking about the international delivery, so guys, it will take around 10 to 25 business days. So this was about the shipping policy. Now let's check out the other information. But guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And yes, this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this particular site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Talking about its domain information, guys, the particular domain name was created on 8th of September 2020. So this site is 5 months old, guys. So we can't claim this a legit website, but yes, according to our in-depth research, we have found that this domain is registered for 1 year only. So this is a restriction here and this makes a confusion. So let's explore the entire information by visiting the About Us section of this website. So this is the About Us page of this website, guys, and they have provided the detailed About Us information, which is a good sign. But they have talked about 5 years of establishment, which is not a legit information. So this is a negative sign here. Apart from that, they have not provided any information related to brand connection info, etc. So let's check out the contact details of this website. So guys, they have provided email address or official address which are fake. They have provided suspicious contact details, which is a negative sign here. Apart from that, they have mentioned query form. Now talking about social media presence, guys, the site has no social media presence at all, which is a red high alert, because every legit business or company has a strong social media presence that define its online presence, but this site has no social media presence. Now talking about return policy, let's check out the return or refund policy. So they have mentioned 30 days of return policy after the receipt of the product, and they have provided unrealistic or strict refund or return policy, guys. So do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And apart from that, talking about Crowable reviews, guys, we have found positive reviews on the official website, but we didn't found any positive reviews or any customer review on the internet, which is a negative sign. So if you want to visit the review section, then you need to click the particular product option, and here you can also find the full description of the product, which is a good sign. Apart from that, they have mentioned customer reviews and 4.9 rating out of 5. So these are the customer reviews, guys. That seems to be legit. And apart from that, one of the customers said it was very powerful and gets the job done. Another customer said, I was skeptical at first. I didn't think it would work, but it has a lot of power and works really good. So these are the positive testimonials or feedbacks that you can read for your knowledge and convenience. Apart from that, guys, you can check out the images of the products. These are the images. You can see they have provided cropped images. So this is a negative sign here. Guys, apart from that, this site is ranked too low among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank, which is a negative sign. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say that and recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. Yes, guys, it's really very important to explore the entire information about a particular site before making any decision or any online purchase. So do proper research before ordering, guys. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So do comment about your thoughts regarding this video, guys, and we would love to hear your views on the feedback as well. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. I'll get back to you with another scam alert or legit informative videos. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.